Hey guys, long time. Some good news. The microphone came, so I'm about to head out and go pick it up and come back and unbox it here for you. Why do I have a microphone? Good question. Stay tuned and find out. Alright, guys, so I'll just get straight into it. The reason why I have or I got a microphone is because I recently started a podcast. It's a faith-based podcast entitled I Think Different, and how I would record it is I would use the microphone that's attached to my camera, the one I use for YouTube, and the background noise on that thing was just crazy, absolutely crazy, and I take so much time trying to remove it and trying to make the sound at least bearable for a podcast. So I reached out to the guys who listen to the podcast and asked them, hey guys, do you mind crowdfunding me getting a proper podcast microphone? And guess what? They came through in such a big way. And so I bought the Shure MV7. I bought it abroad. I brought it into Nairobi using Savo Store. This segment is not sponsored by them, but hopefully one day. But that's exactly what happened. That's how I got it. And this clip right here is me passing Savo Store's offices because I was too focused on filming me getting there. So maybe I paid more attention. I think I should. Yeah. So that's how I got the microphone. Yeah. Okay, so I'm back. Just got back, and let's get straight into it. Let's unbox this thing. Looks fantastic already. Okay, let's just go for this. So I have an iFixit pack now, so my handy dandy iFixit opener tool. I'm gonna use that, and let's go through this unboxing experience together. So yeah, some tape here. There we go. It's pretty cool. It says welcome to better sound. However that will be. Okay, let's go. So a box within a box. Okay, yeah, it's our. You can get behind that. Let me just put this lovely box inside. Okay. So I don't even know how this stands. I think it's like this. And then, ooh. Now we are looking at. We are getting there. So, quick start guide. I think this is the app that controls it. You can use a desktop or phone app to control it. I look forward to doing that. And then the PS, the resistance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Wow. Wow, this is really nice. Really sturdy design, really sturdy feel. I like how those knobs feel. Yeah, you can see. There we go. Sure. But there we go. There's the mic capsule itself. That's the foam. There's the little touch screen. I don't know if you can see it. The touch screen things there. The touch controls rather. It's really nice. I opted for the black one instead of the silver one because aesthetics, and I don't know, I may actually just like black this out because yeah, love the company, but I think for what I'm going for, maybe something a little more clean. Again, just a reason why I picked this microphone. So the option to use USB or XLR and your headphones. So you can actually have direct monitoring from the microphone itself right there, if that can be seen. So yeah, model MV7, it's really sturdy. Like, do you hear that? Can you hear that? Like, really sturdy design. I like this. Feels legit. Feels like I'm gonna feel legit. So there's the microphone. I'm just gonna put it to the side. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. So within this box itself is actually, here is the something inch. I'll put it on the screen. It basically converts. Remember I said I need a boom arm for this, so like this mic doesn't have a stand, it needs to go on an arm of some sort. So this is a particular inch, again it will be on the screen, and then this converts it to something smaller. So I'll put the inches and the threads on the screen for you guys to see. Everything is done, and let's put the edge aside. What do we have here? Warranty. Arabic. Warnings. And then right here there's something. So let's take it out and see. I'm gonna put this aside with all the warranty Arabic warnings and stuff. So over here, see how that goes. Okay. So here we have two cables. So the first cable, this looks like a, it's a bit tough. Gently. So this is a USB type B cable, USB type B. So it's type B into type C, and this has a USB type B port. So it's one of the biggest complaints people have about it. They're like, yo, type C, yes please, thank you. But it has a USB type B port, so this is type B to type C, and I think that makes this then type B to type A. Yes, it does. So your regular old, just get that out for you. USB-C to type A. So those are your cables, and in short, this is what comes in the box. Just like that. Let's put that there for you guys to see. So when you buy a microphone, this is what comes in the box. So that's it. I'm gonna plug this thing in. Well, first I'm going to get some temporary something for this, and then plug this thing in and give it a test run and see how it goes, see how my next couple of episodes go. So yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed unboxing the Shure MV7. I hope you did so too, and enjoyed watching me do so and us doing it together. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, trying to hit that 1000 mark, I'd really appreciate it if you could. Be a great way to support me and tell me, yo, keep making these videos, we like them. Throw a like on it. Speaking of likes, throw a like on the video, slap like on the video if you liked it, and if you dislike, but really what was there to dislike anyway. If you dislike or dislike, that's fine as well. Comment down below, let me know what you liked about the microphone, what you would like to know. Maybe I'll do a review if there's enough comments and likes on the video. Just comment down there and I'll meet you down there as well. And yeah, I'm just excited to throw this thing on and start using it for my podcast. ITD fam, thank you so much. You guys came through in a big way. I'm so grateful. There is more to come, but thank you for making this microphone possible. And remember to check out the podcast. If you're into faith-based podcasts, just in the description below, there'll be a link to I Think Different and you can check it out. That's it from me today. See you guys in the next one. Till then, be easy and peace.